My hair is my burden, and I don't carry it lightly. But I do say it serves me well. This lifeless extension of my corporeal form, continuously dying at the rate that it's grown, it's amazing how something so dead could make me feel so alive at times. I add to it, and it adds to me, but it's not an even exchange. 8 hours it took me to complete this style. The splitting and separation of kanekalon is as important to the process as concealer is to skin. It covers and binds all the unsightly traits of splitting and separation at my ends. I am at my end. And yet I've just begun. I could back out now before the attachment commences, before all of these layers and pieces take hold of me, suffocating my ability to breathe and just be, entrapping me in a revolving cycle of keeping up with trends and impressing my friends. I could bear not a sprain or an arthritic wrist, wear not a braid, not a lock or a twist, but at whose expense? After all, I do this for you. That's my story. The more I learn, the more I teach, and to God be the glory. These godly tresses contain the traces of history that bind me to a purpose greater than my vanity. By that I mean I'm heavily and heavenly enthralled. My hair is my sanctuary. All praises to God. It sets me apart and connects me intrinsically to every other woman who crafts her identity with coils and bends, who toil and spend hours on end with oils and blends and pass down techniques from tribes across waters, who hold true traditions from mothers and fathers that told them their hair was their testimony, showed them their hair told a story. From race and ethnicity to status and tribe, receptors of energy, my hair is a vibe. To wear it as my crown is my virtue, my pride. To wear it with dignity is my right. But I digress. As it stands, the demands of my hair are more stress than the perceivable benefits it yields. I live in a time where convenience is top shelf. Even if it's proven to kill, my hair is not convenient. But the assaulting tactics of conformity enacted strip strands of their power in resilient elastic, akin to the stripping of power in blackness endured by my ancestors, beaten and bashed by the same set of assholes who told them their hair was distracting. Generational conditioning about manes like mines have infiltrated systems that help us define our beauty and self-worth. It's breeding self-hate. If it's difficult to tame, it must need a chain. I'm starting to feel like a captive. Oh, what I'd give to be free. To show up to the meeting cleansed and just rinsed, kinda like the girls in the advertisements, I would be lit. But I no longer wish to play down my perfect. I want to love me, all of me, no part a burden. This is a journey, not a contest or race. This is a masterpiece, and you know what they say, it takes time to be great. If it's worth it, you'll wait.